So hi there, hello YouTubers, what's up? On this video I'm gonna change the master cylinder kit on the front brake reservoir of my bike. So first of all, let me tell you what is the reason for me for changing the master cylinder kit. So it was all happened due to the accident which I made a couple of weeks ago. So during the crash the bike fell down on the right side. So as a result, lots of impact has been acted towards the brake lever, so front brake lever. So due to that incident the brake lever got bent. So after the crash, I just thought that only the brake lever got bent. So I just removed the brake lever and rebended it using a hammer on by placing the brake lever on a flat surface. So after the crash, I just fixed the brake lever. So even after fixing the brake lever, the feel and feedback of the front brake was not so good. So the thing is, if I need to apply the front brake, I just need to pump up the brake lever twice to apply the brake. So if I does not do the thing, the brake lever feels completely dead. It does not pressurize the brake. It does not pressurize the brake fluid to the caliper. So this is what just happened. So if I does not pump up the brake fluid and I just simply apply the brake, it never applies the brake to the front wheel. So I just think that due to the crash, lots of impact has been acted towards front brake, and it must have damaged the internal master cylinder kit, that is the piston which compresses the brake fluid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to completely dismantle the front master cylinder and diagnose what just happened inside the master cylinder. So I also I also bought a replacement kit, that is the complete replacement kit for the master cylinder. So that is, it includes a piston which compresses the brake fluid, and it also contains o-ring. So I just suspect that it was a o-ring damage. So since lots of force has been acted towards the brake lever, it must have damaged the o-ring which comes over the piston. So the piston is the thing which compresses the brake fluid. So since the o-ring got damaged, piston cannot compresses the brake fluid completely. So that will be the problem. So for that I'm gonna completely remove the master cylinder kit and identify what just went wrong. So let's summarize this thing and let's get to work. So now I have completely replaced the entire master cylinder kit inside the brake reservoir, front brake reservoir. So I have already made a video on how to bleed your brakes, so both front and the rear brakes. So if you have not watched that video, just click the link which appears on the screen right now. So I'm not going to again shoot that video. So you can see, so this is the old part. So due to the crash, this o-ring got severely damaged. So this it has been misaligned and it has a irregular shape. So that's the reason it cannot pressurize the brake fluid to the calipers. So these o-rings are the reason for poor braking performance for the couple of days. It happened due to that accident, So this is the thing which I have replaced. Just simply, it has been held by this circlip. So if you just snap out this circlip, then this thing will easily came out from the reservoir. Just simply swap the new one and again put this circlip on the brake reservoir. It's just simple step. Since I bought the new kit, it also includes the new circlip also. So the new kit, it also includes this rubber flange. So I have completely replaced the entire kit. So that is advisable, since most of the parts has been damaged due to the crash. So now the feeling feedback of the brake lever was completely fine. It works good. It is more crispier more than now. So that's all about for today's video. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. If you want me to cover something, leave it down in the comment section. Until then, ride safe. God bless.